Welcome to Radiant Mindset. These stress relief affirmations to calm your mind are designed to help you release tension, quiet anxious thoughts, and find inner peace. Listen anytime you feel overwhelmed or restless. Allow these words to relax your body, calm your spirit, and restore your mental balance. I release all stress and allow my mind to return to calmness. My breathing is slow and steady, bringing peace to my entire being. I let go of tension and allow my body to feel completely at ease. Each exhale releases worry, making space for serenity and inner peace. I am safe, calm, and supported in this present moment right now. I release overthinking and invite clarity and peace into my mind today. My mind is clear, focused, and free from unnecessary stress and worry. I let go of all that I cannot control and feel relief. I am surrounded by peace, love, and calming energy wherever I go. I trust that everything is working out exactly as it should right now. My body and mind are in perfect harmony, allowing me to relax deeply. I choose to focus on solutions and release the weight of problems. I deserve to rest, relax, and let my mind find stillness. I am patient with myself and allow my heart to feel calm. My thoughts slow down and align with peace, comfort, and inner stability. I inhale calmness and exhale all stress, tension, and fear from my body. I am at peace with my past, present, and future right now. My mind is quiet, clear, and free from unnecessary worry and fear. I choose calmness and let stressful thoughts gently drift away with ease. My nervous system is relaxed, and I feel safe and grounded now. I allow myself to pause, breathe, and let peace flow through me. I am capable of handling challenges calmly, wisely, and with a steady mind. I release fear, worry, and anxiety, welcoming peace into my entire being. My body is loose, my shoulders drop, and my heart feels light now. I trust the process of life and release the need to control everything. I am centered, grounded, and fully present in this peaceful moment right now. I give myself permission to rest and let go of my worries. I am resilient and handle every situation with grace, patience, and calmness. I choose thoughts that support my peace and to nourish my inner balance. My heart rate slows down as I relax deeper into this peaceful moment. I am calm, capable, and ready to face life with a clear mind. My mind is quiet, my breath is slow, and I feel at peace. I am in control of my emotions, and I choose inner tranquility daily. I release stress with every breath and allow harmony to fill my soul. I trust that things will work out and let go of heavy worry. My body feels safe, my mind feels clear, and my spirit feels free. I choose to respond with calmness instead of reacting with stress or fear. I let go of mental clutter and invite clarity and focus into my day. I am strong, balanced, and able to find peace in all circumstances. I breathe in strength and breathe out tension with every single breath. My inner world is calm, peaceful, and aligned with serenity right now. I allow my mind to rest and focus only on what feels good. I create space for peace by letting go of negativity and fear. My body is relaxed, my mind is clear, and my soul feels light. I am calm even when life feels uncertain or stressful around me. I choose to relax, breathe, and trust the flow of life completely. My energy is peaceful, attracting calmness and balance into my environment. I am grateful for my ability to find calm in every moment. My mind feels lighter with each breath as I let go of worry. I am emotionally strong, calm, and able to handle any situation gracefully. I release inner tension and allow myself to feel completely safe and supported. I trust that I can handle today with calmness, focus, and clarity. I am mindful of my thoughts and choose ones that bring me peace. My breath is a powerful tool that restores peace to my mind. I am worthy of feeling calm, balanced, and emotionally stable right now. I embrace quiet moments that help me recharge and reset my energy. I release all mental noise and enjoy this present moment of calmness. I am in control of my energy, choosing peace over worry daily. I allow my body to feel light and free from all stress. I am deeply connected to the present moment where peace always exists. I replace stress with calmness and anxiety with gratitude in my mind. My inner peace is stronger than any stress or fear I face. I let go of everything that does not serve my peace today. I feel safe, supported, and comforted by the universe in this moment. I honor my need for rest and take time to recharge my soul. I release what I cannot control and focus on what I can change. I allow myself to slow down and enjoy the beauty of now. My heart is calm, my spirit is at peace, and my mind is still. I choose to see challenges as opportunities for growth and peace of mind. I trust life's timing and let go of unnecessary fear and mental pressure. I allow calmness to guide me and bring clarity to my decisions. My energy is peaceful and I radiate calmness to everyone around me. I am at ease in my body, mind, and spirit right now. I choose to live in the present moment where stress cannot control me. I breathe deeply and allow my mind to rest and recover. I am worthy of peace, happiness, and a life free from overwhelm. My thoughts slow down and I feel more grounded with every breath. I give myself space to pause, reflect, and release unwanted tension. I am calm and confident even during challenges, trusting I will be okay. I let go of worries and embrace peace that nurtures my soul. My breath fills me with calmness, balance, and mental clarity right now. I focus on what I can control and release the rest with love. I invite calm, peace, and mental stillness into my life every day. I trust the universe to guide me toward balance, ease, and harmony. I am a source of peace, radiating calmness wherever I go. Thank you for joining Radiant Mindset for these stress relief affirmations to calm your mind. Repeat them anytime you feel overwhelmed to restore peace and balance. If these affirmations helped you relax, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Radiant Mindset for more calming and empowering daily affirmations.